In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to deposit funds in fusion markets using cryptocurrencies. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to fusionmarkets.com. I'll also put a link to that down in the description below. Once you're in there, you'll need to sign into your account like you usually would, and once you're inside of the account, you should bring something like this. Now from here you'll need to go over to the menu and go over to payments down here. Once you're inside of the payment section, you'll need to go down to deposit, and then from here you'll need to select the specific account that you want to add the funds over to. So from here you'll just need to click on the account and just click continue. Now from here you'll be able to choose the deposit method, and you can see up here your account information will be visible, but from here you'll simply need to click crypto over here, that you can see is powered by day one and also will be instant. From here you'll just need to click continue. You also have the option to use Binance Pay if you want to do that, but for any other cryptocurrencies and crypto wallets, you'll just need to click crypto. From here you'll be able to see there's no wallet over here, and you can create your personal funding address for your crypto wallet, asset, or network by clicking add wallet address. Once you click on that, you'll be able to select a coin, and you can choose between all of these different coins that Fusion Market supports. So for this tutorial, I'm just going to use BTC or Bitcoin, and then choose the network for BTC Bitcoin right here. And then from here, I can generate a wallet. Once you have done that, you'll see that the wallet will be successfully opened, and then you can just click continue. Now from here, you'll be able to see the asset type, the network, the spot price, and here you'll be able to see the wallet address. You can also down here see a QR code that you can scan using your mobile device and directly fund your account using that way. Once you've done all of this, you can just click done, and then from here you'll go over to the normal payment tab right here. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comments section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!